Hi guys, Lens here, and I'm gonna do a video showing how to do a factory reset. Well, this is an Android phone, so yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do a factory reset. The first thing you want to do here, you want to go in your phone settings. So when you're in settings, you want to go to backup or reset, and then you want to click right here, factory data reset. And by hitting this button right here, reset phone, all your information will be wiped off of your device and your device will be reset to factory setting. I'm gonna show you another method how you can do this as well. You can do this by holding down the power button and also the volume up button, and this is to enter into the recovery mode. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do it now. So you will be in this screen right here in the system recovery mode, and for Samsung phones you will have to use the home button, the up button, and also the power button right here. So you will use the home button, the volume up, and the power button for Samsung devices. For other Android devices, you can just use the power button and the volume button, and you want to release the power button as the phone comes on. Yes, so with other devices you will find that the reset button can be the down button as well. To perform this factory reset, what we need to do, we need to navigate with the volume up and the volume down. And when we navigate on wipe data factory reset, to select we will hit the power button. For some devices you will find you will have to use the volume up to select the option. So when you go down, use the volume up to select, but for this phone we have to use the power button. So we can navigate with the up and down, and then we use the power button, and here you can see the screen where it is telling us if we want to delete all user data. Now because I don't want to do a factory reset, I'm gonna click no, but if you want to do so, you click yes. While doing a factory reset, bear in mind that this can take some time, and you don't need to panic, you don't need to worry, but just give it some time, and it will take some time and your phone will come right back on. So guys, I'm Lens, and if this video was helpful to you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like this video. Comment down below if you're experiencing any difficulty. I'll do my best to try and help you out.